Hi everyone, it's Joy, the Director of Education at PBS Reno, and today I have a joyful moment to share with you. Let's make some candy-coated popcorn. Yum! So what I have is a little dish to put the popcorn in. I have melting chocolate. Of course, we need sprinkles. And then I have some popcorn. I used microwave popcorn, but you could always pop yours fresh too. So what I'm gonna do first is I'm gonna pour my popcorn into my dish. You can use a pan too, anything you want. Pour that popcorn in, yum. Now I'm gonna take my melting chocolates and I'm gonna melt them in the microwave till it's really nice and melted. All right, I just got mine out of the microwave and it is really melted. So now I'm just gonna drizzle that chocolate on there. Yummy. Now I chose milk chocolate to use. You can also use white chocolate, dark chocolate, whatever you prefer. Hope you're hungry, because this is gonna be a yummy treat. All right, I think that's pretty good. And then, what treat is complete without sprinkles? We have to put our sprinkles on there. Here we go. Let's go ahead and sprinkle it up. All right, I'm gonna take the lid off. Let's really dump those sprinkles on. Oh yeah, that looks so beautiful and so yummy to my tummy. All right, now I'm gonna let this cool for a few minutes and then I'm gonna eat it up. All right, this has been sitting, cooling off, and now it's ready to eat. I'm gonna try it, here we go. Mmm. So yummy. Wow, definitely a keeper recipe. If you want to do more fun activities or try more yummy recipes, visit our website at pbsreno.org. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to see more joyful moments. And you can find other fun activities at pbsreno.org.